In today's video, I will walk you through how to add sound effects transition in PowerPoint. Start by clicking the slide you want to edit. This is where the transition sound will be applied. Next, go to the Transitions tab to access the transition settings for the selected slide. Choose a transition like fade, wipe, or push by clicking on it. Now look in the timing group and find the sound option. Click the sound drop-down menu. Select a built-in sound such as applause, chime, cash register, or laser. The sound will be applied immediately to the transition. To use your own audio, open the sound drop-down again and click Other Sound. Browse your computer and select an audio file, usually in .wav format, then click OK. The custom sound will now be added to the transition on the selected slide. If you want to change it, open the sound drop-down again and choose another built-in sound or select a different file using Other Sound. You can repeat the same steps for other slides by selecting each slide and applying a sound from the Transitions tab. That's how you add sound effects to transitions in PowerPoint. Thank you for watching the video.